Okay, my name is Brittany Bernal, and this is my son, Austin. Say hi. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to be making slime.
Slime.
Yes, and I'm going to show you the ingredients that you'll be needing. You'll be needing glue, borax, which is a detergent booster. You need any food coloring of your choice, and water. So first what you're going to do is you're going to get 1 tablespoon of borax, which we've already done. And you're also going to mix it with 1 cup of water. So Austin, go ahead and pour it in there. Pour this in there, please. Nope, other way around. Pour this in there. Okay. And then you will mix it up. Okay. And then what you will be doing next is you'll pour some glue in a bowl. You can do about 1 cup. You don't have to exactly measure it. And then you also want to make sure that you add the food coloring in before you add the borax and water, because it's going to be harder to mix it in if you do it after. Okay, let me do it first and then you can help after. Okay, so once you've mixed your food coloring in, you can begin to add the borax and the water in. So Austin, go ahead and pour some of this in here. So I would add it in little by little, because what happens is that it may look like you don't have enough borax, but what you have to make sure that you really mix it well, because if you do add too much, it will get really, really hard. So, like this. You want to try it? Okay, so once you added enough where you can knead it with your hand, you want to start to really knead it well. Here, do you want to hold some too and do yours? Okay, here, you can hold that one. So start mixing it together. You kind of want to pull it apart and knead it together. It will be chunky if you don't mix it really well, and you'll start to get like the glue on your hands and everything. Okay, so you should at the end up with something like this. If it does break apart easily like this, that means that you just need to add more glue, right, Austin? Mm-hmm. And if you feel like it's too sticky, you just add more borax. So this is a little bit of how slime works. So glue is actually a PVA, so polyvinyl acetate, which is a liquid polymer. It's water soluble, and the way that the chain works is it slides across each other. So that's why when you add water to slime, it makes it easier to work with versus just adding borax and glue. It would be very, very hard. It would break apart. It would not be as flexible and slimy. So the borax is actually a solid salt solution, and it's called sodium tetraborate. And what ends up happening here when you mix the glue, the borax, and the water is you get something that looks like this. So again, these here are the polyvinyl acetate chains that you get from the glue. And then here is where you see the boron or boron ions that are actually attaching to the oxygen ions. So this is what you get. You get slime. And that's about it. Thank you so much.